Welcome to this first video of a series to teach you how to make money with your own supplement business. Hey, and congratulations for taking the first step to start, own, and operate your own business. So let's start off by taking a look at the supplement business itself. Do you happen to recognize any of these particular products? If not, that's okay. I'm sure you're familiar with similar products like these. You find them in everyday life. Perhaps you've seen them at the sporting goods store, or maybe at the workout gym. I've seen them at the counter at gas stations, and even the checkout stand at a local Walmart. The point here, though, is you can find supplements just about everywhere you look throughout your day. People use supplements for many different areas of their lives. They help improve and enhance different aspects and make the quality of life better for those who use them. So why do people take them? And let's take a look. People either want to lose weight, or maybe they're looking to bulk up by gaining some muscle. Perhaps they have a condition that they're trying to treat, like maybe lower their cholesterol, or maybe they're tired and throughout the day they're looking for that extra boost. Sometimes people just want to fight the effects of aging and get rid of the wrinkles. So supplements are a part of everyday life for lots of people. They have a problem and they're looking for a solution, and they're willing to spend money for it on a regular basis. The Nutrition Business Journal recently finished a study that showed that in 2012, a total of $96 billion was spent in the global supplement industry. In 2013, that number climbed to $104 billion. This year, we're looking at reaching somewhere in the neighborhood of $115 billion in the global supplement industry. And industry analysts predict that this growth is going to continue on and on as time goes forward. With so much money being spent in the supplement industry, it's a great time for you to start and operate your own supplement business.